So you're looking for an app that allows you to make an app? Well, congrats, you just clicked the right video. The app I am going to show you is block programming. What it means is you don't have to learn any programming language. You can even monetize your app or make money from it by placing ads just like a professional app developer. I am going to be honest to you guys. This app is pretty hard to use at first, but there are tons of videos that can help you. The app is called SKETCHWARE. It is free on Play Store. It allows you to compile and run your app, so once you download the app looks like this. You can even publish your app on Play Store. You can see my recent projects. To make an app, just click the plus button, then to design the user interface (UI), you just drag and drop the widgets to place it. And the programming looks like this. And if you're done with your app, click Run. And there you have it, you've made your first app. Pretty easy, right? And once you get pro on this app, you will be able to make games. Apps. Tools. Games, apps, tools. You named it, and the advantage of using this app is you will get the idea of real programming. So what are you waiting for? Go download the app now. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and if you want to learn SKETCHWARE, make sure to subscribe and click the bell to get notified to my latest videos.